Nuclear weapons are one of the most dangerous weapons that are present in the world. If we talk about how nuclear weapons are created, it occurs through nuclear fission, where specific type of uranium or plutonium is used. Specialized uranium 225 anions and cations are used to break together to strike together with the help of centrifugal technology to create a specific amount of critical mass that is based on the formula of EMC square presented by Albert Einstein, where he stated that energy is nothing but mass is nothing but energy compressed at a specific point. And that's how nuclear weapons are created. If we talk about the basic type of nuclear weapons, then gun type nuclear weapons are created, where the simplest bomb design is used. Where in which an explosive propellant is used to fire one subcritical piece material down to gun barrel into another piece of fissile material of uranium or plutonium to create a powerful bomb. If we talk about currently how many country possesses nuclear weapons, then currently 9 countries in total are present which consisted of nuclear weapons. However, there was a 10th country, but they dismantled their programs later on. If we talk about the official registered 5 countries, then the according to the nuclear non uh, proliferation promotes prevention of nuclear weapons, fostering and fostering peaceful use of nuclear energy, as it divides nation into those who consist of nuclear warheads and those who does not consist of. According to this treaty, a country can only use a limited amount of nuclear weapons, even though if they consist of more. Like if we talk about how many countries are registered according to this program, then or according to this treaty, then there are 5 countries which are China, France, Russia, UK, and US. If we talk about all first 5 of them, then UK consists of 200 225 nuclear weapons, which around which 120 are operationally available, where many of them are used on their war submarines. If we talk about France, then 229 nuclear warheads are present. China consists of 600 nuclear warheads according to the 2024 data, but in 2026 it could increase to up to the 1000. US consists of 5,177 nuclear warheads, where around 1,770 are active. If we talk about Russia, then it consists of most amount of nuclear warheads, consisting of overall 5,459 nuclear warheads, where 1,500 to 1,700 nuclear warheads are active. Then North Korea is also in one. Then if we talk about other countries that does not register through this program but consist of nuclear weapons, that North Korea is present, which consists of 50 nuclear warheads and has the technology and potential to make more. Israel, although never cleared it, but estimated to have 80 to 90 nuclear warheads. Pakistan consists of 170 nuclear warheads, while India consists of 180 nuclear warheads, though they have no first use. And if we'll talk about the country which consisted of nuclear warheads but later on neutralized this program, was South Africa, who around 1980s had 5 to 6 nuclear warheads but dismantled that program.